So here's Promise Alert app, and yeah, press to activate protection, and then it's just it says you need to buy it. So you can see all plans. So either yearly or monthly. And I don't know why it says, okay, T-Mobile Pro, T-Mobile, and then you just see all of this. So that's basically what you're getting here. But yeah, seems there is some kind of a glitch in this app. So this is the app. You can just find it in here, and then you can just snap, capture a moment. Then there are some snap mode themes. And then, for example, you can see that's your partner, where you can just share the location, timeline. So that's kind of the app. So here you have it, Trust Made Visible. Promise gives you peace of mind, keeps eye on you. Get notified if Promise is broken. Every day kept been together. So that's just what you're getting in here. And yeah, so something like that. So that's kind of the app in here. It's still kind of quite buggy and it requires subscriptions. There is no free trial. There is this. But yeah, try it out.